Department settings. You'll need to be an administrator to edit these settings. They can be found in the Administration section under Organisation. Select any department in the org tree and you can see the settings on the right. The top of the page provides detail about the managers responsible for this department. This can be helpful from a data protection perspective. The department I've selected doesn't have many contacts set. That's fine. It'll inherit these from its parent department instead. Not every department needs to be configured separately. If you have the same contacts for the whole region or company, you only need to set these for the group at the highest level in the tree, and all sub-departments will use the same settings. Sending copies of all absence alerts to one or several people can be useful if you want to maintain oversight of all absence in the organization. However, remember that these global copies are sent in addition to any other email the recipient already receives. In effect, the global copy recipient is CC'd on all email alerts that are sent. This can be a lot of email. Consider carefully when to use this option and only use it for a manager who is not named above as a line manager or the unit manager to avoid duplication of messages. Problem Reports contact should be someone who has administrator access to Engage. They will receive notifications if there was an issue with recording an absence or if managers change their contact details. If you have regional or operational variance in the way absence is reported, you can make those distinctions here. All the script settings that are available for your company will be shown in this list. You'll see options to show, hide, or inherit these settings. Like before, you only need to configure the preferences at the highest level for the group, and the departments below the parent will automatically inherit the settings. However, if you need to modify what questions are asked or what messages are passed on to the absent employee in this department, you can specifically override the parent settings by selecting to show or hide the message.